Stay protected on the road with the Nexar Pro Dash Cam. With dual HD cameras, smart connectivity, and automatic cloud storage, it captures every angle and every moment. Wherever you go, Nexar Pro has your back, keeping your drive safer, smarter, and worry-free. In this video, we'll talk about these topics: unboxing, smart features, specifications, installation, app connection, and safety precautions. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Nexar Pro Dual Car Dash Cam, power cord with car charger and mounting accessories, documentation pamphlet. Want to grab the Nexar Pro Dual Car Dash Cam from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features. Using G-force sensors, the dash cam automatically detects and saves footage of collisions or hard braking. The clips are then backed up to your unlimited Nexar Cloud account. When your car is parked, the camera switches to a protective mode, automatically recording any impacts. It notifies your phone with the recorded video once it reconnects to the camera. After a collision, you can generate a detailed report with video, speed, and location data. This simplifies the process of filing an insurance claim. The Nexar app streams footage directly to your smartphone via Wi-Fi. This gives you instant wireless access to all your recorded drives and important clips. The GPS model tracks and logs your vehicle's location and speed. An iOS-specific feature can even show you where you last parked and provide directions. Specifications? Installation. Choose an installation spot that captures the full front view without blocking the driver's vision. Clean the windshield neatly for a proper adhesion. Apply the heat-blocking film to the chosen installation area on the windshield. Remove the protective film from the adhesive mount and press the dash cam firmly onto the film. Adjust the camera's vertical angle to properly capture the road ahead. Route the power cord to the vehicle's power outlet. Use the included wiring trim tool to hide the power cord underneath the vehicle's headliner and rubber seal along the A-pillar. Plug the car charger into the cigarette lighter socket, then plug the power cord into the dash cam and check if it turns on normally. Peel off the adhesive backing from the mounting sticker and attach the camera in the desired position. Ensure it's secure and adjust the angle for a clear view of the rear. Finally, connect the cable to the main camera to complete the installation. Set up with app. On your smartphone, open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and download and install the Nexar app. Open the app and create or log in to your Nexar account. Power on your Nexar Pro Dash Cam. The app will detect it via Bluetooth. Follow the prompts to connect your phone to the dash cam's built-in Wi-Fi network for live view and setup. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Nexar Pro Dash Cam. See you in the next one.